From the Pasadena Media Center, this is News Brief for Friday, July 29th, 2022. With the passing of Councilmember John Kennedy, the City Council has until October 4th to appoint the next district-free City Council member. Voters elected Kennedy to a third term during the June primary. According to the city charter, if a vacancy occurs among any members of the City Council, the remaining members shall, within 75 days after such occurrence, appoint a qualified resident voter of the unrepresented district who shall hold office until the office is filled at the next general municipal election. If the City Council cannot agree on one person to fill the vacancy, the replacement shall be chosen by lot. The process is the same one used to appoint Jess Rivas and Andy Wilson after seats in District 5 and District 7 became vacant. Both Rivas and Wilson later ran for City Council, and each was elected by residents living in their respective districts. The Tournament of Roses is set to begin accepting applications for the 2023 Royal Court on Monday. The Rose Queen and Royal Court are iconic traditions steeped in the Pasadena Tournament of Roses history, according to the organization. The 7 Royal Court members who are selected will each receive $7,500 scholarships and serve as ambassadors of the Tournament of Roses and the Pasadena community. Application forms will be available on the tournament's website beginning August 1st. The initial round of in-person interviews are scheduled for September 10th and 12th. Applicants must identify as female, be at least 17 years of age by December 31st, 2022, and not be more than 21 years of age before January 5th, 2023. Applicants must also be a full-time resident of the Pasadena area, have at least a 2.0 grade point average, be available to participate in person for all interview sessions, and be a senior in high school or enrolled as a full-time student in any accredited college in the Pasadena Area Community College District. The LA County Board of Supervisors voted 4-1 on an ordinance to place a measure on the November ballot that would give the panel the authority to remove a publicly elected sheriff from office for cause. Earlier this month, the board voted 4-1 to direct county attorneys to draft the legal documents and a ballot measure. Supervisor Catherine Barger cast the lone dissenting vote. The ballot measure would give the board the power to remove an elected sheriff for cause on a 4/5 vote of the 5-member panel. Cause is defined as a violation of any law related to the performance of their duties as sheriff, flagrant or repeated neglect of duties, misappropriation of public funds or property, willful falsification of a relevant official statement or document, or obstruction of any investigation into the conduct of the sheriff. For Pasadena Media, I'm Joe Carbonetta.